So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So make sure you click on the subscribe button. Who are you to subscribe? Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make your comment. If you take a look at USD, AUDUSD, we can see that we are in an uptrend move. This is very much clearly a bullish move to the upside, right? So market was able to find its way, rallied up, then pull back. Market eventually was able to push up again to form a new high. Market has now dropped. Guess what? To do what? To form an equal higher low. So this is what market has done. Market has now formed an equal higher low. So now with this movement, we will be expecting market to actually bounce up again, thereby giving us a good push. So this movement will most likely be for swing trader. So swing traders that would want to hold their position for the next 1 week or 2 weeks, you might want to start looking buy on AUDUSD. So we should be expecting a rejection from it. Now let's go down to the forward time. So this is our forward time frame. So market pushed down like this, then pushed up. Market has now given us a pullback. So we should be expecting market to give us another push up. Now we take out this previous high right here. So we should expect one more bullish move that we take out this previous high. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement, as there could be changes, if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share.